just doing the unboxing of my turtles. So, give me a second. One-handed once again. How do you open this? Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Oh, they really did give me free food. Oh wow. I thought that you put in the free food thing was just a lie. Here's some sample food. 3 baby red-eared sliders. Oh my gosh. They're smaller than before. Oh my gosh. I think they're dwarfs. Hey. Oh, this one just fell. Uh-oh. 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 Oh my gosh. This one is really the size of a quarter. This one is, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Calm down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're so small. Okay, let me try to see their nails. Well, the nails look a little different. Let me put the lid back on before they run away. Well, here's my male and female sliders. Bye-bye.